Hi guys, today we are going to see an animation on packing lesson. From this lesson we can get to know how hard is packing, how much skill and intelligence is required to do it. There are three main characters in it, George, Harris and Jerome, and also a dog named Montmorency.
Jerome had taken the responsibility to pack. He was proud with his packing skills. His friends Harris and George agreed to it. Jerome had intended to boss around his two friends, but all they did was sit and relax. This irritated Jerome. However, Jerome did not say anything. Jerome had almost completed his packing now.
Aren't you gonna put the boots in?
Couldn't you have mentioned it earlier? Have I packed my toothbrush?
Jerome's toothbrush was a thing that haunted him as he used to pack it before using it.
Now I have to take every mortal thing out. I have completed packing. Can you fellows tell if I have missed anything?
Have you packed in the soap?
I don't care whether the soap is in or not. Oh god, have I packed my spectacles in now?
Jerome's packing was finally over at 10:05 p.m. and the hampers remained to be packed.
We have to start in less than 12 hours time, and I think that I enjoyed better do the rest.
Harris and George packed in a light-hearted spirit, intending to show Jerome how to do it. Jerome waited without any comments.
In the exception of George, Harris is the worst packer in the world. I am sure the packing is going to get more exciting. Oh, now I am very much interested. Just started to job by breaking cups.
Let me pack the strawberry jam. Oh no, the jam has squashed the tomato.
No, have I trod on the butter?
I am not going to say anything. Let me do it.
This action of Jerome irritated them a lot, and they got excited that they stepped on things and put the pies in the bottom and the heavy things on the top. The pies got smashed. They upset salt over everything, and no one had ever seen anyone do things with butter that Jerome had seen Harris and George doing.
Let me put this into the kettle.
Oh no, what has got in is not coming out. Let me help you scrape it out.
Harris, do you have any idea where the butter is?
No, where is it? Let us search.
Why? Here it is all the time. Stand still, can't you?
Montmorency was a troublemaker for them at this situation. The dog sat on everything and put his leg on the jam. He chased the lemons and killed 3 of them and disturbed the teaspoons. The packing was finally done at 12:50 a.m.
Do you prefer the inside or the outside, Jay?
I prefer inside.
That is very odd, Jay.
What time shall I wake you, fellows?
7.
6. George, you there?
George was asleep by then. Hence, Jerome and Harris placed the bathtub so that he could tumble into it in the morning, and they went to bed themselves.
This is a part from Three Men in a Boat, which was published in 1889. It is a humorous account by English writer Jerome K. Jerome of a 2-week boating holiday on the Thames from Kingston upon Thames to Oxford and back to Kingston.